Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So story be about beto yenim. Na for me personally, I've seen this from CTFM. One more and I one more report on this particular story. Mesrel, and then your first time will just do one thing for me. Subscribe and click the notification bell on the so. And no any down screen so see here. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Quickly, I don't want to waste much of your time. Yanko and sem so. Yes, Ghana ni bia wo doctor e America. Ye won wo Ghana na so naturalize ye. Na tese sisia no ye beka say wo American. Wo doctor e wo Florida to be specific. And then amene wo ka say ya chemo ye de no akwa court. Allegedly say wabokro no of $26 million. Na krono a wo bono ye say ye nhwehwemu ye ko hu ye no. Say wo dey funded political campaign ewo Ghana ha say. Now, young consem ni mu etiefo doctor no ni din de Moses DeGraft Johnson. Na the matter that is actually coming out and say bia wo call the patient fee and wo ko wia wo mo ana wo ko say ko dabi. You say what he does na say falsely wo bele insurance na wo bele o mo a na say what they funding the ambition of becoming the president of Ghana. Na say one angasa wa America ho no. Wo pese wo ba ebe dane president e wo Ghana ha say. Na wo ya doctor e wo America ho nyame adom wa bomoden aye adwuma enya sika a wo angasa e only hospital bi a specialized hospital e wo America ho. Munti asem ni ye. Na esanse America ho no ebia ko doctor ho na waye osedua na waye obibia wo be beleo na ebia prepaid ubetia ansa na wako ni nti no obo se wo beti nkrofo we sika se ebia obi ba ne hospital ho se me person me be operation bi say na tre se waje o musika na wa beleo mo agisika no but procedure e wo se wo de o mo go through no obo se wonye na ejuma wo tai edi e wo America ho wo share the number of people like you say what did you musika wo mokan keka kobeye 26 million na etifo me ba 26 million no o convert akọ Ghana cedis over 100 million Ghana cedis so and one asem ne ye kan over 100 million Ghana cedis and you say doctor yi wo ye Ghana ni wo abrochi wo hospital no say juma we na wo di e wo ho etiefo inti wo sha ya say ya charge no Dr. DeGraft ya charge no with conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud and more than 50 counts of healthcare fraud to wo share charges ayede abona enye charges ketwa na charges ayede abono esanse eye America laws eye juma e wo ho ntino say ye shame na jury no ehwem hu ne say ne kre ensema ye dia to ne so no eye ne kre a obekwa kodim for a very 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 long time. Now according to court papers no he had submitted a number of fraudulent claims between September 2015 and now. Not just say was share idea we ase no 2015 by 5 years ni to wish sika waje wa krudi out no say yes our customers pan na etie for okwa New York Times one of the biggest news outlets America Womokra reported on this particular matter. Na the hospital na metre was say wonankasa enyaska AC hospital no edin the Heart and Vascular Institute of North Florida. Inti yaka Heart and Vascular no e wo se won say akomayare chese wa specialize wo akomayare ene akomamu nsem chese ebia wo bi ba hospital na obi yare ni ekohu say ebia eye akomayare na koma ho atochima kakra ena unim se eye akoma asem ene ye kan sika no ebekosoro ese normal health care. What asem na see ye in America hono esanse health insurance eye adwuma ninti no some of the health insurance and some of the people no health insurance covers them. Nti fraudulently the omo can say wo jijiska if it's a health insurance in sense we mu meanwhile operation no wonye na wakoji huska onye operation no na wakoji huska ene easy almost we use the privileges at the hospital to poach patients for purposes of subsequently billing healthcare benefit programs for interventional vascular procedures that were never done. Naturally, say ebia will be abane ho. Say, oh doctor, makuma say. It sounds like America on my health insurance cover those things you know. Now I shed ya no ashe date say brade way na bra na menye operation. Nkrofo ne baba no obo say woni ho. Naturally say operation won you. But wabema sika no yate na yetia ne ka te se ne awaye operation na tre se yate afi nkrofo no wo mo health insurance mu. Meanwhile date na wo mo set ye se yenko ne yenko ye operation no the operation didn't come on. Into wo mo say from 2015 or sha se wo ye BBC na wa wonim se mbrofofo yi wo mo de se krono semba na ne bakono yɛhwɛ sɛ ofiri Ghana ɛna ɔbaa a wɔn bɛbɔ sɛ wei deɛ ofiri Ghana na ɔbaa asɛm wei even though he is a born Ghanaian a one naturalized abɛdane American no there was no need for them to even report say oh he was a born Ghanaian or he is a born Ghanaian na one naturalized as far as the person has naturalized to become an American who report here ɛwɔ sɛ wɔka sɛ nipa ko no yɛ American ni but wɔn sɛ na wɔn report no eba bone dia wo mo bepo amagana fo na yemfa ne se doctor yi ekoye papa yemfa ne se wo koye operation bi operation na wo koye no wiase ni na wono na the first person na why that type of operation story a ebeba abonte ne say American doctor hit a milestone by setting record na that's the story a wo mo de beba the sense say bone ni ntino wo mo pese yehu say the pakone kra no ye Ghana ni e na wo beda ne America ni wo hu say ne yeti intino ne that's even why I'm reporting on this because I'm reporting here say an American doctor eno ye BBC there was no way I was even coming to bring you that story because it is of no need to you and follow America doctor na wako BBC na ka me fa story name bro be san say wo mo opo ni din say wo ye Ghana ni ntino na wo mo so wo ma ye hwehwemu a ehu say eya wo send sika ni bi eba Ghana because wo pese wo dan the president e wo Ghana ha say so mo ye hwehwemu mo hu say wo busuafo bi wo Ghana ha say ya eya wo send sika no emo say wo mo fan ya campaign ni nyama ma no na you see some of the times wo be ye procedure or be schedule date for the procedure of a year surgery no some of those days ne kana ya na America hokra wo ni ho e bia na wa be she Ghana na so wa onengrofo bi a hye date say mo mbra na menye mo operation owi ana wakoji huska if you health insurance ho etiefo ene easy na eho e na yede no ekoko gina court na yede no ko gina court no e no say ono ondi boni bia yo munja ni mu no ondi boni bia ye e na bisa nse police fo wo mo chie wo no wo mo aye hwehwemu ehun ne se wo se ni sika ekọ Ghana na hwehwemu kra wo mo ye no mo hu se Ghana 1980 your vice president I don't know who was the vice president of Ghana back then but 1980 wo mo say Ghana your vice president no or your Abrantie in a family member na Abrantie in a family member 1980 Ghana's vice president Abrantie in a family member ti ono so hu ne say e wo say wono so better than the president since 2010 any man license to America ho a wo share say wo ye adwuma na back to wako court nsema wakan no wose wono de wonye hwe e na wo mo kire ne document hu say ye hwehwemu ehu ne say wo say niska over 1.8 million Ghana cedis ekoma on crofo wo Ghana just because o pese ye dey campaign ema eno so edien na wo kan fa ho wo si o sika na me se ne no man fa nko se me dey ko campaign me dey ko se me dey ko charity work because Ghana ho no ehiafo egu ho it is not for personal gain eyemi ankasa me sika ma ye adwuma nya nti me se ne sika ne ko se wo mo fa nko boa ehiafo e wo Ghana ho eno ne nsema wo dey tu dwa wo won che mo adwo comment box ni mo me da ase